Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about ICT skills, Unit 3. In this chapter, you will learn about information and communication technology, the importance of ICT, the role of ICT, uses of ICT, and the various ICT tools. First of all, what is ICT? The full form of ICT is Information, Communication and Technology Skills. ICT refers to all the devices, networking components, applications and systems that allow people and organizations to interact in the digital world. ICT comprises all communication technologies such as the internet, mobile phones, satellite transmission, wireless networks, even the newspaper also. Now, the role of ICT. ICT is used at various places, workplace, business, education field, healthcare. ICT in workplace. The World Wide Web has made it possible to search for information on varied issues like education, health, nutrition, and the current affairs, the social aspects, finance, and many more important issues. So ICT is used in various industries like mining industry, auto industry, aerospace, power plants, power generations, telecommunication industry also, and the finance agencies. At various places we are using ICT. The next thing is ICT in education. ICT in education. These are the various areas of applications of ICT in distance education. Nowadays we are using the online education, that is also using the ICT. We are using mobile devices, using internet for the communication. So that is also ICT in education. ICT in healthcare. ICT is used in the healthcare sector for cutting edge research and manufacturing. It helps in hospital management, administration, and it also helps the doctors and nurses to diagnose, treat, and monitor patients. One can search, anyone can search for and learn about the various diseases, their symptoms, cures, precautionary measures on the internet. We can search on the internet what are the symptoms for a particular disease, what cures we can do during a disease. The hospitals use various devices for checking, for diagnosing the various diseases, for checking our blood pressure, for checking the various diseases. Then the ICT in governance. You can see here in the picture the various icons for the various applications, the government applications. Like we can apply for our Aadhaar card online, we can apply our PAN card, the various online services we can use. Digital India and e-governance initiatives of the government have resulted in providing many government services online, like for the collection of taxes, exchange of information with citizens and other government departments. ICT also provide a platform for interaction between the government and the people. Now, the role of ICT in business. ICT facilitates e-commerce, okay, like online shopping, marketing, product browsing, and processing of orders. Business communications through email, video conferencing, and mobiles in marketing of products is another major use of ICT in business. Various organizations use mobile or tablet for communication. E-commerce allows the user to search and compare the various products and services which they can buy at competitive prices and get them delivered right at your doorsteps. Now the ICT tools, the technological tools that facilitate creation, dissemination and the storage and management of information are called ICT tools, like radio, television, newspaper, email. These are the various ICT tools.